Guys, welcome back to the Mech Boys. I'm Kelton.
I'm Kyle.
And today we are putting the exhaust on the Cobalt. About damn time.
Yep. No more leaks for leaks, dude.
Nope. And this is nice exhaust right there. So yeah, should be pretty sick. Hopefully all things go smoothly, but
Never usually does on this
nope.
YouTube channel here.
Something usually always doesn't work out, but I tested it, see how easy the bolts were to take off, and they came off pretty easily, so hopefully they come off good.
Right on.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get these last top bolts off. Headers off. Thank God. Wasn't much shit out.
Wasn't too bad, all the bolts came off.
Compared to how bad it could have been.
There's the stock one here, and here's the new long tube. I don't know. For most of you, maybe use my shoe as a reference. It's a few shoes long. But yeah, now we got fucking, we're gonna cut out the old exhaust, cut her in half, and fucking give her tights on the new exhaust. We are now 10:43. I'd run to shop, get some tools, but yeah, 10:43. So we're gonna give you a brief update when we are back at it. We're just gonna put the new gasket in here whenever we get ready to roll.
Oh fuck, I feel lots of threads. What's up, boys? Fucking tightening up the old Cobalt SS exhaust here.
Just putting the V-band on the downpipe, connecting it to the header.
Yep.
Cool.
That's good.
Good and tight.
Good and tight. Oh, got that. That'll be handy because you have some flat, like, always remember if you guys are ever putting on bolt-on exhaust, leave everything loose until you get to the very back and then tighten everything up when everything's already on.
Yeah.
So everything hand tight because it'll be a very big bitch to put on if you don't do that. So,
Yeah.
get that done, but yeah, let's fucking move on to the next piece here.
Well, I'm gonna try and switch back to the GoPro, try and get a good angle. Then,
Kelton, what are these?
oh, O2 sensor wires, you know.
They go to there, eh?
Yep.
Don't really reach anymore, even, anyways.
No, they're pretty haggard.
Yep, they're done. They're done, bud.
Yep.
Oh, goddamn.
Cut to the GoPro.
Woo!
There, 17 mil.
What the fuck is this thing then?
What?
This dude. This plastic piece.
Oh, this is my fender lining. It's fine. Don't worry about it.
Right on.
Yeah. Okay, here's the wrench.
Oh, boy.
Here are the bolts.
Cutting my hoodie. I'm putting holes in my hoodie. Bolts. Oh, there they are. So, fucking washers. Oh, they're flames knots. Okay, perfect.
Just stick them through here first, then we can stick the gasket on.
Oh, there's a gasket that goes here.
Oh, yeah.
Is there a gasket on every one then, or?
Yes.
Okay. Through?
I wanna see the light. See the light. I wanna see the light.
First start up in the old new exhausted up cobalt here. God, you're ruining it every time, man. Anticipation is high. Fire up. Oh my God, is that loud? That'll be fucking hot, eh? Sounds good. That is depenetrating oil smoking off.
Probably be putting that in full.
Good.
Somewhere.
Oh, right here. Dalton. Right here. Shut it off.
E-band, I'm assuming.
It won't be at the right angle. It's probably just the hair off. And we flashed to 2019. What's going on, guys? We're the Mech Boys. I'm Kyle.
I'm Kelt.
Been a long time coming. We're continuing on from the exhaust video a while ago, and yeah.
It was about a month ago. Solid month.
We kind of got busy with Christmas, and it's just been one of those type of years, but yeah. The exhaust went okay for the most part, and then we ran into a hiccup trying to get the band clamp off and ended up busting it, so
yeah.
We had to go to Napa, get an exhaust clamp, and on top of that, the exhaust clamp didn't work, so he took it to a buddy's shop, welded her up, put her on. I had to leave, so
yeah.
Oh,
I didn't record anything after that. It was just too much of a pain trying to get it to record. But
yeah, when you're working on such tight quarters, it doesn't make it very fun. But oh well. But yeah, we're flash to a new year. Hope everyone's having a great new year, and keep on shredding on, and we'll be back with you guys with another video here real soon.
Mustang stuff coming soon too.
Right on. Yeah, this kid has changed his mind again, I think, about some stuff. So we'll get to that in another video, but have a good one, you guys.
You
We'll
fools
talk to you later.
go. Yes, I did.